To make uploading YouTube videos super easy, you can create an upload default for your description box so you don't have to copy and paste or manually type out your description box every single time. First, you're going to start in YouTube Studio. You're going to go to Settings, Upload Defaults, and here you will, in your description, paste what you want to appear in your description box every time you upload a video. And you will be able to edit it within your video as you upload individual videos. You can also add tags, check the visibility, and add a title. Being able to add a default description box with all of your links and your disclaimers and everything all in one place is super, super helpful. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.